What up, everyone? It's Kuya back at it again with the 240 and another weekly update of what we have done to the car. Beforehand, I got some parts for my daily, which is a RAV4, which is right there. So I'm going to show you that. I got something else for this car, just small cosmetics, so I'm going to show you that. But this weekend, what we plan to do is we're going to do a compression test on the car. We're going to change out the valve cover gaskets and the head gaskets. Also, the serpentine belt and alternator belt we plan to do today and tomorrow. But Sunday is Nissan Fest here in Southern California at Irwindale, so I got that going on. Next weekend is Formula Drift Irwindale, the title fight. Got that going on. I'll go visit my boy Jeff Jones and Ryan Littoral, two of my pro FD friends, I would call them. They used to come to DC Sports and I used to hang out with them a lot, and they're really cool guys. So if you go to FD this upcoming weekend, show them some love and everything, and I'll be out there, so hopefully I can catch you guys out there. But back at it again with the 240. Let me tell you what we did. Let me get out. So, like I said, we didn't do that much this week to the car. The reason why is I had to go to the DMV and register this car, but it's registered, and that's important to do just to make sure it's street legal, so that took up a day worth of my time. I also got, for the cosmetics down below where your feet goes, some lights from my boy James. So James, I appreciate you gave me that. That was originally supposed to go on my old BRZ. I just never got around to it, but I'll put it in this one. We've been still cleaning these wheels. These wheels, this wrap that was on there, it sucks to take off. So if you guys have any tips and tricks to take that off, let me know down below. Now, my friend Hector from RBP got me this light bar and an exhaust tip for this car, but I'm not going to put the exhaust tip on this car because down below where the muffler is, to put that on, I'd have to cut it off and weld it and whatnot. But the light bar is going to go on my daily, which is a 2022 RAV4 hybrid. And that's my roommate's car, Hyundai Genesis 3.8 track, and the V6 Dodge over there. So, and we also have a BMW that we've been working on over here. So also like to see videos of them working on their car or us building the BMW. Let me know below, and then we'll have more content besides just the 240. But if that's something you guys are interested in, make sure to comment that down below. But also for this to flip the rear view mirror, because I don't know if you guys noticed, it was off before, so put that up. And I just been cleaning the car and whatnot little by little. But that's what we have planned this upcoming week and next coming week. So, also I plan to do the brackets for the NRG seats soon. I'm going to order those probably within the week or two. So we'll put that in. And we're still waiting on the manual transmission. Guys, that's like the #1 thing that I really want to get done to this car is drive a manual again. I used to have a BRZ. If you guys are from my Instagram, you guys know. So I really want to get a manual transmission. I do miss that feeling of shifting gears and really being closer connection to the car. But that's it for this week. I appreciate you guys for staying tuned and everything, and hopefully you guys watch the 240 still come alive. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and remember, drive safe, keep sideways. Peace out. Peace out, everyone.